everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing awesome and happy new year. I know I haven't, posted a video in like a whole year, just kidding. No, but happy New Year's. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe. The world is still in shambles, but it's gonna get better. I just know it. It has to, right? Anyway, so I am switching it up today. I am painting a woman of Asian descent. I believe she's Chinese. Her last name is Ching. And I believe that I Googled it and it said their last name originated in China. So I'm going to assume she's Chinese, but don't come for me. I tried to follow her on Instagram so I could, ask her for sure. But she didn't follow me back, so I love that for me. Anyway, but she is super gorgeous, and I just really wanted to switch it up. Want to be all inclusive to every ethnicity, every race, and that's what I'm all about because, I guess it's the way I was raised, honestly. But yeah, she is super gorgeous. I'm going to be leaving the photographer, the makeup artist, and all the people who are involved in this photo shoot in the description below, because you know what I do, I just paint the photo. I don't create any of the lighting, I don't create any of that stuff. I'm literally just painting what I see in the photo, and yeah, so I have to make sure that I tag everyone that was involved in the entire process of it, because it's not fair to just tag only the model or only the photographer. You have to tag everybody that was involved. So yeah, I will have their links in the description box below. I will tell you guys where I've been. After school ended in December for that semester, I took on a couple of commissions for people, and that kind of, ate away at my time to post more videos on my channel, but it's okay. I don't know how this year's gonna go. I never have really expectations for how the year will go. I just kind of live my life and just hope for the best, pray that I'm alive, pray that I'm well, and everybody else is well, It's nothing really to just get bogged down into goals and stuff like that. You just kind of live life, and that's kind of how I eliminate stress in my life. But I don't like to be stressed. It's a icky feeling. And I know I have a few new subscribers on this channel, and you guys are probably wondering who the heck I am. I'm Ellie Mandy. I go by Gabby in real life. People who know me close know me as Gabby. My full name is Gabrielle, and I took the L part of it and made it Ellie, and my middle name is Amanda, and I took the Mandy and made it Ellie Mandy. Yeah, it's a whole thing. People are like, where'd you come up with the name? It's fine. People ask, I'll tell them. But yeah, nice to meet you guys. I'm just chilling. I'm about to be 24 in February. I feel very old. I don't know. I know I'm super young, and older people get mad when young people say that they're old. Dang, I'm about to be 24. What are you talking about? What? Where? But yeah, I just like to paint on this channel and just talk about whatever I want to talk about. Sometimes I'll do a voiceover, sometimes I won't. It depends on the mood and how I'm feeling. Other times I'll just do a speed paint and put some music over it. And yeah, but I'm glad to have every single one of you guys here. I hope you guys are staying safe during this time. I don't know what's happening in the world. I really don't. I just want my channel to be an escape from the world for a little bit, come around, laugh a bit, get inspired to paint, and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything else. Just be yourself. That's what I'm here for. I'm gonna try to do more tutorials soon. I'm waiting to get a new camera so I can film the painting and my palette at the same time. So it may be a while before I get an actual really nice setup going on, but yeah, just hang in there with me, and I should have more tutorials going on soon. So a few interesting things are happening this year. I should be finished with college soon, so I'm excited about that. And you guys won't ever have to hear me talk about college anymore. I'm so over school. When I get out, I'm literally gonna throw the biggest party in my bedroom and just turn up and throw freaking toilet paper in the air because I don't have confetti, and I'm just gonna like turn up and then fall back asleep, and then like it's gonna be a whole mood, like done with college, like that was a waste of time. Like, no, I'm just kidding. Literally, I'm just gonna be so happy. It hasn't hit me yet. As soon as online classes start, I'm gonna be like, what? I can't do this. Like, senioritis, it's gonna hit me like a ton of bricks, and you know, it's gonna be great. So yeah, I hope you guys are ready for that mental breakdown. Like, I'm so ready for it. The rose petals that I added in this oil painting were kind of spur of the moment. Like, I didn't really have any clear direction. As you can see, I was like erasing stuff and playing around with it, but it turned out okay. It kind of looks like feathers to me. I don't really know what was happening, but I'm glad I got it done. It looks cute. It's whatever. Like, I'm ready to be done. So I really hope you guys enjoy this painting, and hit me up if you have any questions on Instagram. That's where I usually interact with you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome week and stay safe. Bye.